If you want your peppers to grow large, thick, and full of fruit, you need to give the plant the right minerals exactly when it needs them the most. When the first fruits appear, pepper plants start using a huge amount of energy for fruit development, and this is when they need potassium the most. Without enough potassium, the fruits stay small, grow more slowly, and the plant produces a much weaker harvest. That's why today we're making a simple homemade natural fertilizer that is rich in this important mineral. The first ingredient is banana peels, which most people throw away without realizing they are rich in potassium, a mineral especially important for peppers during fruit development. When the peels are chopped and covered with hot water, part of the nutrients is released into the liquid much faster, allowing the plant to absorb them much easier. Potassium helps peppers develop larger, firmer, and healthier fruits while keeping the plant stronger at the same time. The difference is often noticeable very quickly because the fruits start growing faster and develop a deeper color. The next ingredient is something people step on in the garden every day, even though it works as an excellent fertilizer. I'm adding 1 spoon of dandelion tea. Dandelions are useful during the fruiting stage because they pull various minerals from deep in the soil that many other plants cannot reach. They are especially interesting because they contain potassium, some calcium, magnesium, and other elements that can support the plant during intense growth. When used as a tea or fermented fertilizer, plants handle heat stress and rapid fruit development much easier. Another good thing is that it works more gently than some stronger natural fertilizers, so there's less risk of overdoing it. The third ingredient is eggshells, which I will grind into powder so they can reach the roots faster. Eggshells contain a lot of calcium, which becomes especially important once the fruits start growing. Without enough calcium, peppers often develop blossom end rot. When the plant has a stable source of calcium, the fruits become firmer, healthier, and handle growth and summer heat much better. Leave everything to sit overnight. In the morning, strain the mixture and dilute it with another ½ liter of water. Water your peppers every 10 days. Each plant needs about 200 milliliters of this fertilizer. Let me know in the comments what you use to water your peppers. See you in the next video.